Hello everyone, I hope you're all keeping well. Well, today I have another journal to share with you, and this is made using the white paper bags that I've used in some of my other journals. And for this one I tea dyed them so they look and feel fabulous. So these paper bags are about 7 inches by about 9.5. So the journal is about 7 by about 4.5 inches across. Now the papers I've used throughout the whole journal is a digital download that I purchased from Gi Kerr. Now that's the name of her YouTube channel, but her Etsy store is called Happiness in Crafting, and this kit is called the Roses in Collage, and it is a lovely set of papers. Lots of roses, lots of tags, journaling sheets and full-size sheets. It's just lovely. And I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel below in the description box. Okay, so I've used one of the sheets on the front cover here, and I've crinkle cut all around the edges and distressed them with tea dyed, or it may have been vintage photo, I'm not sure. And underneath that I've laid some muslin. I've just frayed that, so you can just see that all on the edge. And I've just put some lace down the side here as well. And I've made a little pocket in the front, and I've just gathered up some netting, put it across the top, and in the front we just have a couple of tags. And then on the back it's just another sheet, and I've laid some muslin underneath that as well. Okay, and it's held together with some seam binding. And this is just one signature, and the cover is one paper bag, and then I've used another paper bag inside as well, so I've used two. Okay, so in the front there is a pocket, and I've just laid some lace on the edge of that pocket. Oops. So I've just made a little journal, and it's got some tea dyed paper in there and some baking paper and some oh, what do you call that, eyelash trim. Oh dear. So that just goes in that front pocket. And then on the inside I've made a little glassine bag which has been tea dyed, and I just cut out a little rose on the put on the front there. Then inside I've just made a little journaling card which has all been crinkle cut on the edge and distressed. So that goes in there. Then here I've just got a little pocket and a couple of more tags. And all the papers in here have been tea dyed as well, and there are quite a few blank pages, so you can actually use the journal for journaling. So I've used a couple of the little tabs from the kit on the edge there, and cut out some of the roses and added them to the corner. And here we have another pocket, and I just cut out some of the tags and I joined them together, so that's another spot to journal in. Okay, so some blank pages, and this is the other paper bag, and I've just made a pocket with this side, and I've added another little rose that I've cut out and added it to the front. And inside is another little journaling card. I've backed with some of the paper, and I've stitched across the top and added some lace. And on that pocket I've also laid some lace and some of that eyelash trim as well. And on the back of that page is just another cutout. And some more journaling pages. And here we have a little pocket, a side pocket. And there's nothing in there. I think there's supposed to be. I just haven't remembered to do it. I'll have to add that later. Okay, so this is the centre of the signature, and it's made out of baking paper. And I've just laid some crochet trim down the edge. And on the front here I've added some lace and another cutout of roses. And on this side I've made a little envelope that's all been stitched around. And it is aligned with some baking paper. And in here I've just got some extra pockets and some tags and some extra tabs and some bits and pieces that are left over. Then on this side we have a couple of larger tags, a bit of eyelash trim at the top. And this has been stitched in with some twine. Oh, not stitched in. Was it a 5-hole pamphlet stitch? That's right. Oh dear. And some more pages for journaling. And the other side of that paper bag. And it's got some more of the crochet trim and eyelash trim on the side there. And inside it's just another journaling card. It's more stitched at the top. So that goes back in there. And here is a pocket made out of some glassine paper. And I've added another large tag. Some more journaling pages with the tabs on them, and I tried to do the tabs so, you know, 1, 2 and 3, just different, at different heights. And this is the back page, and it's just a pocket made from lace. It's got some more lace on the side and some eyelash trim as well. And here is just a smaller paper bag. Some seam binding as the closure. And it's just got some crochet trim on the side. And in that front pocket, just have a smaller journaling card. And in the centre is just some more baking paper and some lined paper, and all those pages have been crinkle cut as well. That just pops back in there. Oh, and it's actually closed. I've actually used some more of the eyelash trim as a to just secure those pages in there. So there it is. It's a sweet little journal. It's quite soft and spongy and fluffy. It's quite pretty. So there it is. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.